All right, everybody. So I don't have the Shelby. As you may or may not know, the Shelby is in the shop. Okay, I'll try to post a picture here. They're actually working on it currently, putting the Pro Charger on, and I'm probably not gonna get it back until mid-January. Okay, so my tuner, you know, obviously he's gonna have to start from scratch. So, and I told him just take his time with it, you know, because I want a really good tune. All right, so the goal is 850 wheel horsepower. Hopefully we can get a little bit more out of it. So today's gonna be different. You know, today I'm taking my oldest nephew to the gun range. So it's his first time. I don't, you know, his dad, you know, is you know, in the Army and everything, military. So I'm not sure if he's ever held a gun, but I don't think he has. So today I'm gonna have him shoot. I'm not sure what handgun I'm gonna have him shoot. You know, probably a Glock 27, which is a 40 caliber, which obviously, you know, probably not the best thing for a first time shooter, but that's just to give him some experience. Okay. I'm also going to have him shoot the Tavor. All right, that's the Tavor rifle, and we're not going to be shooting 5.56. We're going to be shooting 2.23 today. All right, so yeah, just stay tuned. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's going on the YouTube channel.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because this is an exciting day.
Exciting day.
Yes. It's going on the YouTube channel. Have you ever held a gun before?
No.
Never shot one, obviously, because you never held one.
No.
So today's about to be a brand new experience. Do you know what we're shooting today?
Guns.
What kind of guns are we shooting?
I want to say semi-automatic.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna shoot probably a Glock 27, and I'm gonna have you shoot the rifle. How you feel about that?
Pretty good.
Don't squeeze, because you flinched. Don't squeeze. Only thing to moving is okay. Focus on like breathing, and like don't flinch or anything like that. Just like you got to be confident. Okay. What you're doing. Okay. When you're about to shoot, your whole hand comes up. Keep your hands as is. The only thing move is this. Try to lean in a little bit more. That's pretty good. You shot a little bit low. You shot right there below that X, but that was pretty good. Don't flinch. Hold on. So, with your sight, is that line right there at the X? Okay. Yeah, it seems like when you shoot, like you're flinching a little bit, so it's like you're kind of squeezing up a little bit, so it brings it up. That's why I keep shooting high. You're shooting straight, but you're just shooting high. You know what I mean? You got to be confident. It's Black Ops. Fortnite. Safety's off, right?
Yeah.
You see the red dot? Where are you? Are you aiming at the box? So, whenever you're ready, go ahead and fire. Make sure you breathe. You're gonna like this a lot better, don't worry about it. Pretty close. Scared the shit out of you, huh?
Lane 5 is
I'm gonna come over on this side. I'm gonna shoot.
Put one in and then shove it.